Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing here some trade with candlestick psychology. This is OTC market today. OTC market is not a real market. It's little bit risky market. So no problem. I will take some trade and I will explain it today. So this is USD CHF pair, and major trend and minor trend is also downtrend here. So I took my trade in lower direction, so let's see what will happen here. So this is my winning trade. I am explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. So this is strong downtrend, major trend and minor trend downtrend here, and the market falling down from this level. After two candle, there is a weak bullish candle and it's spinning top type candle. Spinning top candle is a sign of continuation. So when the market goes up, I place my trade in lower direction because the previous bullish spinning top candle is a sign of continuation. So market will continue at least to this level, then it may reverse. That's why I place my trade in lower direction, and this is my winning trade. So let's go another pair. So this is Euro USD pair OTC market, and I place my trade in higher direction. So let's see what will happen here. I think I must win the trade, so let's see what will happen here. So this is my another winning trade. I am explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. So the market started to going up from this level, from this point. There is a pattern here, double bottom pattern, and this is neckline. The market strongly broke this neckline and it's made a high, new high. When the market came below this neckline, I took my trade immediately in higher direction. I oversure that if the market create a bearish candle, then also I win the trade because I took my trade below this neckline. If the market create bearish candle, I also win the trade, and if the market candle if the market create bullish candle, I also win the trade. So this is the tricks of this OTC market. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. So this is GBP USD pair OTC market. I will place my trade after this candle. Yes, I took my trade in upper direction, so let's see what will happen here. I overshared that I must win the trade. There is a strong reason here of my taking the trade, and I must win the trade. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is also my winning trade. I am explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. So I am explaining here. I took the trade. I am drawing properly here. I took the trade based on this level. So this is strong seller's entry point. Only one small bullish candle here, and all others candle bearish candle here. So it's strong seller's entry point. So, and this is 50 EMA line. This act as a support level here. From this point the market goes up strongly, and the market suddenly fall down from this level and started to go down. When the market come below this level, below this SNR level or seller's entry point level, I immediately took my trade higher direction. So I oversure that if the market create bearish candle, I also win the trade, and if the market create bullish candle, I win the trade. So market create a bearish candle, but it didn't cross this level, this seller's level. That's why I place my trade in higher direction, and my entry point is below this level, and this is my winning trade. This is called margin of safety. If we place our trade with margin of safety, it's obviously our fearless trade, and it's obviously our winning trade. So this is the tricks of OTC market. So thank you for watching my videos.